Hello my crafty friends, this is Jane from Solange the Creative Diva, and I just wanted to come on and I got a Happy Planner kit. This is my first one that I've gotten. It's called Seek Beauty in All Things. I'm super excited because this is my first box that I've gotten from the Happy Planner kits. So I just wanted to do an opening. So let's check it out. What's inside? How exciting. Oops. So this is what it comes in. Oh, look at the pretty paper. It's blue, like light blue with little white flowers. It says bloom with grace. Try to take it out nicely so maybe we can save the sticker. Let's see. No, I don't want to rip. Okay. Have you guys received your first kit? And what was it? Oh, look at this. It says, I want to feel as free as the flowers, happy things inside. And this is all the stuff that comes inside. Press to Flowers is the name of the kit. In this box you will find favorite florals and stickers to dress up your occasions. So you get a sticker book storage box, a build your own sticker book storage, 10 coloring sheets. Oh, that looks so cool. And 3 different sticker books of all flowers. That's cute. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing you get is this. This is the Create Your Own Sticker booklet. Oh, and it holds up to 50 sticker sheets. We'll open that in a minute. The sticker to color your own stickers. There's one pack, and here's another pack. Then we have Beautiful in Florals. This is so pretty. Pressed Flowers. Oh, this is pretty also. So pretty. Okay. And Sophisticated Florals. I love this color palette. And, oops. Sorry for shaking. And then you get the storage to put the sticker books in there. And that is it. Let's put this away and we'll go through that. Okay. It's the sticker storage box. Sorry for the noise. Okay. And you put it like this. Store your sticker books in there. It comes with these labels, so like some of the sticker books don't have the name on there. You can put your own, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, they fit nicely in here. Once you close it, of course. That. Then you have these. We'll open these. I'll open these first. Put this one to the side. Oh my gosh, how exciting. So you can color these. I'm thinking I'm gonna try to see if I can color them with watercolor. See how that works. You can color with pencil, with markers. That is pretty cool. So you can match all your spreads. So it comes like looks like 2 of each, 3 of each, or different ones actually. This one, so pretty. 2 of those, or 3 of those. Look at this. This is gonna be beautiful to color. Let's see. You get 3 of each of these and 1 of these. This is super cool. Put that on the side. This is the other one. So we'll open this up. These, oh, how so pretty. I don't know if you could see, I'm sorry. Get 3 of those. Look at this one. That's gorgeous. Look at that. This one's pretty also. More leaves. And this is my first video of unboxing or even just trying to make videos. So I know there's probably a shadow and I'm sorry about that. I'll try to fix it, but I just wanted to get this opened. All of you that haven't seen it. This is to create, this is gonna be so cool. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm super excited about this. So, it holds up to 50 stickers. I hope we could find more of these because this would be really fun. This is an empty box. So it comes with a sticker. Create your own sticker pack with the little girls. You open this up. And you put your stickers in here. I'm actually gonna put these stickers up in the front. These, stick it in here. And voila, your own little sticker book. So I was thinking, you know, when you do your planners and you take out your stickers and you put them on in the wax paper, and then you forget, like, where did you have all these stickers in the wax paper, and like, which book did it come from? You can just have a leftover of one that you've already finished. Like these, for instance, is probably what I'm going to use this for. I'm going to take out the excess ones and then use this to put down my stickers. Let's see if that works. That's going to be a project. I'm going to try to see if that works. Now let's check out the sticker books. I kind of do it backwards. I'm sorry. Look, it comes with these really pretty words. Keep going, believe in the good, be your own sunshine, noted, live boldly. These are super pretty. This one says, darling, you're different. This one's so pretty. Just bloom, seek beauty in all things. I definitely know where I'm gonna put that. Believe, choose happy, embrace your own pace, be your own sunshine. Boxes, I definitely need those. These are super pretty with the colors: green, purple, yellow. This is like a coral kind of color, like peachy coral. Pink, light pink. Oh, look at these. I love these flowers. So pretty. Okay, I like these. This is really good. I love this. Love it, love it, love. You can see it's shiny. I'm all about the bling. Gold, gorgeous. This one's so pretty also. I'm thinking with this, you can do like a background, like watercolor background, and then put this in the top. That would look really pretty. Look at this. They look like real flowers. This is foil as well. Green foil. You can see that. Oh, I love this. Little strips of washi. That's awesome. You always need that. This is good. I like to do layouts like this with to-dos and remember errands. That's kind of the way that I that I plan. I love these. Sometimes you need these in your spread. Love it, love it, love it. I love this. These have like some like pink, you know, like gold foils. I love, love, love this one. Okay, that was this one's pressed florals. Let's go back in here. This is sophisticated florals. And you can always use, florals are very neutral. You can use them in almost all your spreads. Okay, so we have these. These are like the minimalist kind of. Oh, I like these because I have a mini that has these this kind of layout. To-do list, love those. Here's more boxes and circles. Oh, they have like little tiny flowers, which are so cute. I love this. I'm a scrapper, card maker, paper crafter, so I love all of these little things. This is awesome. I love the colors. They have like a little splatter, so it's not like super like bright. It's like it has texture. I love that. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. I don't know if you could see that, but they're so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, and black also. These are really light colors. This is pretty too. Love it. It's like rose gold. I'm all about the bling. So anything shiny, I love it. These are pretty. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Let's go and grow. Aww. These are so cute. In a corner, that would be awesome. I want Karist in my heart, peace in my heart, and love in my soul. Aww. So cute. So cute. Let's see. You can see that. Check in, remember, important, focus on, reflect. I like that. I like all of these little marks. This is like a checklist. I'm all about making to-do lists. So anything that has to do with like to-do lists, I'm all about that. I love these. I love these little sayings. Those are super cute. Oh, I love it. I like that one. Okay. And that is Sophisticated Florals. Then we have Beauty in Florals. These colors are, I think, super cool. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Love this life. Loving this. And I am loving this. I love this. So pretty. These roses are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at these. These are so pretty. This blue. I like a lot of blue. I know I do a lot of things in pink, but one of my favorite colors is blue. So I love that. I find like they're very sophisticated, like very grown up, very classy, these flowers. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use these. Make, enjoy. Aww. are so pretty. These have a little bit of gold in them. Oh, this one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them. Oh my gosh. Washi. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm in love. Need to do, oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. I love these little boxes. Oh, in color. I like them in color also. These boxes. Yes, reflect. Definitely. I don't know if you could see that. I'm sorry. This is pretty. Oh my gosh, a planner pin. Oh, can't wait to use these. Who's getting inspired? Who's getting ideas? Oh, let's see. Gratitude. What is one thing you're grateful to have in your life? How can you continue to show that gratitude? What is one emotion you've been feeling a lot of lately? How can you move forward with those emotions? So cute. I definitely know what I'm going to do with these. What's your favorite moment of the day? How can you create moments like this again? What is one emotion you've been feeling a lot lately? What is your favorite moment of the day? How can you create moments like this again? What is one thing you're grateful to have in your life? How can you continue to show that gratitude? Your top 3. Oh, you can always do like this with this so that you can do like top 3 things. That would be cool. To-do list, my faves. Oh my gosh. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. So pretty. Cherish life's the best moments. Aww. Surrender yourself with beauty. So adorable. So this is my floral, my first kit. It comes with 3 sticker books. It comes with the Create Your Own sticker book. It comes with 2 packs of color your own stickers. It comes with this sticker page. Okay, and it comes with the box, the planner box. So out of this collection, of this kit, what is your favorite? Put a comment on below, and if you like this video, put a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.